Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add an end screen to your YouTube video. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So there are two ways in which you can add an end screen. First is obviously if you click create and upload your own video to your channel. And obviously you just need to find a video that you want to upload. And once you've done that, you can obviously add in a title, description, thumbnail, lots of other things you can adjust and change to suit you. And once you've done that, just select next. It should say add an end screen on this page here underneath video elements, and just select add. This will just bring up a range of templates you can use, so you can pick whichever one suits you best. And once you've done that, you'll see the little video template, so that's the video they can click on, and then your channel profile picture as well, so they can click on there to go to your channel or subscribe to your channel as well. You'll also be able to add more elements, so you can add another video, a playlist or a channel as well, and then you can just move these around to suit wherever you want them on the video itself. And once you're happy with that, you can adjust the timings of it. So it just changes how long this subscriber image is going to be on the video for, and the same for the videos as well. You can just adjust them to suit you, however long you want them on the screen for. Then you can also choose a specific video, so you can just pick one of the videos out of your library, or you can search for a video from another channel. And if you have a few other videos, you can also select best for viewer as well. So once you're happy with all that, just select save, and that will add an end screen to your video there. And then the other way, if you already have a video uploaded, just click on this pencil symbol. And if you scroll down, you should see end screen on here, so you just need to click on that. And this will bring up the exact same layout again. So obviously you can just do exactly what I've said before, just pick a template and go through all this different information again. So that's how you can add an end screen to your YouTube video. Thanks for watching.